As people age, maintaining independence and mobility becomes more important than ever. That's where a good mobility scooter can make a real difference. Whether it's for a quick trip to the store, a daily ride through the neighborhood, or just moving around the house with ease, the right scooter can offer comfort, control, and peace of mind. In this video, we're breaking down the top 6 best mobility scooters for seniors in 2026, each with different features to fit different needs. From compact options to heavy-duty builds, there's something here for everyone. Links to all products mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. GoGo Ultra X Plus Rear Basket Upgrade. If you're looking for a no-fuss mobility scooter that keeps things simple and affordable, the GoGo Ultra X Plus, the rear basket upgrade, earns its place at number 6. It's a solid choice for seniors who need something reliable for light, everyday use, whether that's a quick run to the pharmacy or getting around the house and driveway. This scooter features a lightweight frame that's easy to manage without sacrificing basic comfort. The included rear basket is a small but smart upgrade. It adds helpful storage for things like groceries, a small oxygen tank, or just your everyday bag. No need to carry items on your lap. With a weight capacity of around 260 to 265 pounds, it supports most average users comfortably. The compact turning radius, sitting somewhere between 33 to 35 inches, makes it suitable for tighter indoor spaces or maneuvering through hallways. It has a modest travel range of about 7 to 8 miles per charge and a top speed close to 4 miles per hour. That makes it best for short errands or gentle neighborhood rides rather than long distance or uneven terrain. The tiller controls are basic and easy to learn, and the flat-free tires make maintenance minimal. It disassembles into 5 pieces, and the heaviest piece weighs under 35 pounds, making it manageable for loading into a car trunk without too much hassle. Overall, the GoGo Ultra X is a dependable starter option. It's not built for rough terrain or long days out, but for everyday needs in familiar places, it gets the job done with confidence. Number 5. Heavy-duty 500-pound all-terrain fast scooter. Coming in at number 5 is a serious upgrade in size and strength, the heavy-duty 500-pound all-terrain fast scooter. This model is built for users who need a higher weight capacity and prefer something that can handle more than just smooth pavement. If comfort, outdoor capability, and power are high on your list, this one's worth a closer look. The standout feature here is its 500-pound weight capacity, which is well above most standard scooters. That, paired with a sturdy frame and wider wheelbase, offers a stable, secure ride for larger users or those who want extra durability. This scooter comes equipped with large, all-terrain tires, typically in the 9 to 12-inch range, designed to handle grass, gravel, and uneven sidewalks without issue. A full suspension system is likely built in as well, which helps absorb shocks and makes for a smoother, more comfortable ride, especially when going over rough or cracked surfaces. With a range of 20 to 25 miles per charge and a top speed between 7 and 9 miles per hour, this model is made for those who plan to spend more time outdoors. The seat is usually wider than standard, often with a headrest and adjustable armrests for additional support during longer trips. It's worth noting that this scooter isn't exactly compact. It won't fit in a car trunk and may require a vehicle lift, ramp, or van for transportation. For outdoor parks, community centers, or local errands where terrain varies, this scooter brings a great balance of power, comfort, and independence. Just keep in mind it takes up a little more room. Number 4. Pride GoGo Ultra X 4-Wheel 17x17C. At number 4, the Pride GoGo Ultra X 4-Wheel stands out for its added stability and a more comfortable seating upgrade. It's a great option for anyone looking for a smoother transition between indoor and outdoor environments, whether you're navigating a hallway or easing over a curb cut. The main difference here is in the 4-wheelbase, which provides better balance and stability compared to 3-wheel versions. It's especially helpful when going over uneven terrain, small thresholds, or outdoor ramps. If safety and steadiness are top priorities, this layout makes a noticeable difference. The upgraded 17x17-inch seat is larger than the standard 15-inch model, giving more room for longer rides and daily comfort. It still maintains a compact footprint, but the added space can go a long way for users who spend more time seated. The turning radius is slightly wider at around 44 inches, which makes it less nimble than a 3-wheel but still practical for most indoor spaces like shopping aisles or open living areas. It has a top speed of about 4.1 miles per hour and a travel range of 8 to 9 miles on a full battery. The seat is foldable and swivels, making transfers in and out easier, especially for those with limited mobility. As with other GoGo scooters, this model disassembles into 5 lightweight pieces, with the heaviest part still manageable for trunk transport. Flat-free tires, interchangeable color shrouds, and simple tiller controls round out the package. For daily use that doesn't compromise on comfort or reliability, this one delivers consistent performance with just the right amount of support. Number 3. Pride GoGo Ultra X 3-Wheel Travel Scooter. If maneuverability is your top concern, the Pride GoGo Ultra X 3-wheel travel scooter earns its place at number 3 for its compact frame and tight turning radius. It's a smart pick for seniors who mostly stay indoors or need something that works well in tight or crowded areas. With a 33-inch turning radius, this scooter is easy to steer around furniture, through narrow doorways, and into elevator spaces without feeling bulky. Its slim profile also helps when weaving through store aisles or tight corners at home. The travel range is about 7.2 miles, which is solid for short daily use. Its top speed is just under 4 miles per hour, keeping things safe and controlled whether you're at home, a shopping center, or cruising a paved sidewalk. It rolls on flat-free tires that work well on hard flooring or smooth pavement, though it's not ideal for outdoor terrain like gravel or grass. This model is clearly designed for comfort and convenience in stable environments. The seat is compact and lightly cushioned with a swivel feature to make getting in and out easier, an important detail for users with reduced flexibility. The Delta tiller allows for easy steering, even with limited grip strength or one-handed control. Disassembly is fast and simple, breaking into 5 pieces that fit easily into most car trunks. Each part is light enough to handle without requiring extra help. If you're looking for a scooter that's easy to store, easy to steer, and designed for everyday errands or apartment living, the 3-wheel GoGo Ultra X fits the bill nicely. Number 2. Pride GoGo Ultra X 2.0 4-wheel travel scooter. At number 2, the Pride GoGo Ultra X 2.0 4-wheel travel scooter brings a thoughtful set of upgrades to a well-loved classic. It builds on the original Ultra X's foundation, but offers improved range, comfort, and overall ride feel, making it a solid step forward in the series. This model is best suited for seniors who want just a bit more from their scooter: a smoother ride, longer trips, and added stability when venturing outside. The 4-wheel layout offers better balance on slightly uneven paths, small outdoor ramps, or busy sidewalks. One of the most noticeable changes is the range boost, up to 9.8 miles per charge. The top speed is right around 4.1 miles per hour, so it's fast enough for neighborhood rides or shopping centers without ever feeling too fast. Its turning radius remains compact for a 4-wheel scooter, measuring around 44 inches, which makes it manageable in most indoor spaces while still delivering solid outdoor performance. Comfort has been slightly improved too, with a padded swivel seat that's height adjustable to better suit different body types. The Feather Touch disassembly feature helps break the scooter down easily into lightweight pieces, making it car trunk friendly and easier to transport. Other details that make a difference: a charging port located on the tiller so you don't have to bend down, a front storage basket, and a simple LED battery gauge for quick checks on battery life. It's a little heavier than earlier versions, but the smoother handling and added features make it a good fit for users looking for a familiar layout with meaningful upgrades. Number 1. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. Taking the top spot on our list is the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter, a well-rounded option that checks all the right boxes for most users. It offers a solid balance of comfort, portability, and performance, making it a strong pick for anyone needing dependable mobility support without overcomplicating things. This scooter is ideal for seniors who want something that's easy to operate, stable to ride, and simple to transport. Whether it's a daily trip to the store, navigating through the house, or a visit to the local park, the Vive scooter is built to handle the essentials with ease. The 4-wheel base provides added balance over uneven flooring and small outdoor surfaces, helping reduce the risk of tipping. Its travel range reaches up to 12.4 miles on a full charge, and the top speed hovers between 3.7 and 4 miles per hour, steady enough for control but quick enough to keep you moving efficiently. It supports users up to 265 pounds, and the 18.5-inch padded seat comes with a swivel base and flip-back armrests, which make transfers in and out far easier. The control panel is straightforward, featuring a battery indicator and speed dial that's intuitive, even for first-time users. The scooter breaks down into 4 main parts, and each piece weighs under 29 pounds, making it fairly manageable for car travel. The non-marking, flat-free tires and rear anti-tip wheels add extra peace of mind on both indoor and light outdoor terrain. What stands out is how much you get for the price. It's budget-friendly without cutting corners on comfort or reliability. For day-to-day mobility, it's a well-rounded choice that just works. That wraps up our list of the top 6 mobility scooters for seniors in 2026. Whether you're looking for something compact, heavy-duty, or right in the middle, there's an option here to suit your lifestyle and needs. Choosing the right scooter can make everyday life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like. Links to all the scooters mentioned are in the description below. Thanks for watching.